Do you want to open some plants? No? I'm nervous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, today we are going to be doing, yes, another unboxing. And today's unboxing is from Hirt's Gardens. Yes, I have seen so many unboxings from Hirt's, probably like upwards of 15 on YouTube alone. And it is an equal combination of great reviews and horrible reviews. So like any plant parent, had to find out for myself. Hirt's has some pretty inexpensive plants, which is the only reason why I decided to try them out, because they're inexpensive. If they were expensive, I would have been like, nope, sorry, not gonna do it. We got the coffee, we got the candle, and we're gonna unbox. Okay, so let's see here. I actually sent myself the invoice because I know from all the videos I watched that there will not be an invoice in this box. Let's do that. All right, let's just get on into this box. The suspense. Oh yes, lots of soil. So all of their stuff should come in a nursery pot. I don't think that they ship bare root. This is gonna get messy. Hold on. I need a garbage can. Join me in my video, Mr. Trash Can. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take a little video of this monstrosity and input it here so you can see what this looks like. So there's soil everywhere. They look like they were watered or maybe possibly just like dipped in the lake and tossed in the box. I'm actually surprised the box isn't wet because of how wet this looks. But I see some damaged yellow leaves already, but let's just, you know, give them the benefit of the doubt and take each of these plants out and see what we're working with here. Got my trusty trash can. Do you guys like my shirt? I got it at Kohl's. I love it. Let's get into it. First one we're gonna take out here, and they're also, I think that they might be labeled Trailing Jade. That's pretty much all it says it is. There is soil all over the leaves, so I'll have to clean it up. But for the most part, this one looks okay. None of the leaves are broken. None of them are yellowing. It is a little flat because it was squished in the box, but that'll come back. Overall, this one looks really good. This Trailing Jade was $4.99. So I also should have started off by saying that I got 8 plants, and every one I got was in a 4-inch pot because I wanted to keep it consistent. So they're all 4-inch pots, and they were all right around $5 or less. The total for 8 plants was $31. So get what you pay for? Possibly. Let's just continue with this unboxing. Oh my God. This would be really helpful if they were labeled. Huh. All right. So this is a Spathyphyllium white silver. One of the leaves is ripped, and then 2 of the new leaves are actually turning yellow. So I'm wondering if it is overwatered. I'm gonna have to check out this soil and inspect it and see what's going on in there. But this one was, this is actually a peace lily. Don't I know my stuff? And this one was $4.99. So I think it's a pretty good size for $5. But like I said, this leaf, I'm not sure if it's gonna make it because it has that little cut in the, but there is a new leaf growing here. So pretty happy with this one overall. I like it. Okay, we will put that aside. Let's try to find another one that has a label because, you know. Oh, I think I know what this one is. This one is a Burgundy Ripple Peperomia. I just love the leaves. Okay, so this one actually, other than the fact that it's soaking wet, looks like it's in really good shape. The leaves look perfect. There doesn't seem to be any broken leaves. There looks like there's a lot of new growth. I'm actually really happy with this one. Like I said, I probably won't water it for a good week or two because it is soaked, like it's dripping, but super pretty, and I'm quite happy with how the leaves look too. That one was $4.99 as well. This one is a Emerald Ripple Peperomia, and this one was $4.99. So let's get this out of this plastic bag. I mean, they put plastic around it because they knew that these were going to be wet, so I could appreciate that because otherwise the box would have probably been soaked. And this is, yeah, legit dripping. But this one looks pretty good too. There are a couple of broken leaves, but there is quite a bit of new growth. There's this bloom here, and then there's one down in the center there. So this looks good. All these plants are going to need a little bit of TLC and to be washed, but overall this looks pretty good so far. So far. I'm not thrilled with the packaging, but these plants are looking pretty good. All right, now let's see what else we can get here that has a label. Okay, this one does. Oh! Oh my gosh. There is dirt everywhere, guys. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. This is a Maranta. It's a prayer plant, and it's grown at Hirt's. This is big for $4.99. Actually, I'm lying. This was only $2.99. So for $3, this is pretty big. New growth coming in everywhere. So I'm really happy with this one. This looks great. Huh. Awesome. That might be my favorite so far. I've been wanting one of those. I hear their leaves move like at night or in different light. So maybe I can get like a time lapse. Okay, what do we have left here? Ooh, yes, okay. Dear goodness. These all look the same to me. Okay, this one is probably, hold on. I know this. All right, this one is the Hartley Philodendron. It was $2.99. So as you can see, from this one to this one, these were both $2.99, both 4-inch pots. This one feels like it has no soil in it at all. This one's heavy packed, new growth. This has a couple dying leaves. So this was one of the complaints with a lot of people doing reviews on Hirt's, is that they're not very consistent, so you really don't know what you're gonna get. But if they mix it up and they give you a few huge ones and a couple small ones, I guess, you know, I don't know, that doesn't really bother me that much. This also has a new growth here, couple yellowing leaves, but that's okay. I mean, this looks like a $3 plant to me, so I'm happy with this. This is, again, the Heart something or other. Gosh, I'm so bad at this. And my stupid iPad keeps closing on me. Heartleaf Philodendron. I like it. Needs a bath, but don't we all? I think my camera's crooked, by the way, guys, so sorry about that. There's dirt all over my floor. Hold momentarily, please. A hole in my chin. I needed my coffee for this one. I knew I was going to. We have 2 left, guys. 2 left. Yes. This is Golden Devil's Ivy. So this looks perfect, other than the fact that it's dirty, which I guess I should stop talking about because it's totally fixable. This has some really pretty marbling on the leaves, and these leaves are quite a decent size. I don't see any new growth, but very healthy plant overall. This one was only 99 cents. This last one I was so ridiculously excited about because I've been wanting one for a really long time. And this looks like it might be in the worst condition, but that's okay. A coffee bean plant. Yeah, apparently you can plant this and grow your own coffee beans. Now, am I that skillful? No, I'm not. I'll probably just plant it and just look at the green leaves and just appreciate it and look at it every day and love it and just know that it could produce coffee, and that's good enough for me. This has some burnt falling leaves. It was pretty squished, and the leaves that are damaged are babies, so that's unfortunate. And I don't see any new growth, or actually I do see just a little bit of new growth. I got another phone call. This is why people don't use their cell phones to record. And me being a photographer, you would think that I would use, you know, my DSLR, but who's got time for that? Anyway.
Mirrorless.
What?
Mirrorless.
Anyway, overall, I'm really happy with this. I'll just cut the dead leaves off, plant it up, clean it up, call it a day. This one was $4.99, I think. $4.99, yeah. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research on this plant because I really don't know a lot about it. I just have always wanted like a coffee bean plant. Now I have one. Okay guys, so I am gonna insert a close-up of what the box looks like after I take the plants out, and I did not like dump dirt anywhere, so this is legit what it was. Honestly, I think Hirt's is a good company, okay? I've actually heard mixed reviews on their customer service as well, so I don't know. From my experience, I think that the only thing they really need to change is how they package their plants, because this is like the #1 complaint is packaging. And I think that a lot of their bad reviews would go away if they just took some time to, you know, use all this bubble wrap that I just threw in the garbage to actually tape around the plant, package this dirt in more. This tape isn't going to keep soil from escaping, like it's not. You need to pack it in with paper towel and then tape, or like not sphagnum moss, but like that stuff that's, you know, the shreddy stuff that you put in Easter baskets, that stuff. Don't, you know, drench your plants right before packaging, because that's just ill. But I think packaging is their biggest problem. That and the inconsistency in sizes. But for the prices, that kind of doesn't really even bother me. So overall, I'm happy. I'm gonna give Hirt's a thumbs up today. Thank you, Hirt's. 31 bucks, 8 plants. Boom! That is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me in the future. Have a good one!